trying to do something fun with lights today, candles. So it's been a huge trend to have these twisted candles. What's it called?
Yeah.
Twisted candles? Okay, so we've had some candles in some hot water, and as you can see here, it looks like a mess, right? And we tried with these small ones as well, and the color has started going off them, and my hands are broken, and yeah, not so great. But anyways, I just took this off, and this is quite warm. So the thing is, you start by actually flattening it, and maybe I already had it out of the water for too long. So you try to make it a little flat, and that's what I'm doing now. And when it's flat, then you can start twisting it. And now it actually starts looking almost like it's supposed to. Just, you know, don't look at all these little color blobs from the purple candles that came onto them. And then you're supposed to put them into some cold water to then stabilize them again. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna try to do some more. Of course, yeah, my kids are also doing something fun with candles right now, and always be there and help them. And you know, I want to say don't try this at home, but of course do try it at home because it's fun. But be careful and have water nearby, and teach your kids how to blow out candles. So that's right. So you don't like have them not knowing how to do that. Okay, now they've been in the water for a while, so it's a lot better. And twisting and turning. Girls, do you want to try this? Because it's actually quite fun feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So then you got to be here for it now, because you got to flatten it first. Flatten it. Roxy, do you want one?
Julian, looks really awesome with the different colours.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's the other thing. Roxy, can you show what it is that we're doing with this?
What do you mean?
I mean with the dripping. How you make that?
Yes.
It comes flat on one side. Och så när det är flat, then you twist it. Be careful of long hair that gets in the way.
Very cool, Roxy.
Does it work, Julian?
I think so.
Yeah.
It's not the prettiest. Yes.
Yeah. Try another time. Yeah, nice. I'll just straighten it a little bit.
Thank you.
Or not. Yeah, nice.
Good job.
Thank you. Very cool. I'm gonna go out and put these in some cold water, and we'll show you all of them when they're done. Yay! Hey, again. And this is what the finished candles ended up looking like. And some of them had some discolorations from, being so close to each other in the water. And some of them are not completely straight, but they still have their charm. And I also like the ones that have the other color glycerin or wax dripped on them. That is actually a fun look. Definitely like those. And it was a lot of fun to make. And just be sure that you are careful, both with the hot water, but of course also with the fire, because it is fire, it is real flame. So be really careful when you're working with this, because it might be fun and creative, but I just want you to be safe. So thanks for watching. Bye.